Today, let us see a lecture on post-harvest technology of vegetables. This topic is designed to provide students with an in-depth understanding of the principles and practice of sustainable vegetable crop production. In this topic, you will learn about the different process of harvesting, cleaning, sorting, grading and packaging of vegetables. Getting crops planted and harvested at the right time are important for vegetable production, but the key to a successful operation is how the crop is handled immediately after harvest. Post-harvest handling is a stage of crop production that includes cleaning, sorting, grading and packaging the crop for later stage in the process such as storage, transportation and delivery to the customer. How a product is handled during this crucial period largely determines its quality and safety for consumption. A farmer's primary concern during post-harvest handling are to quickly reduce the field temperature of the crop to extend shelf life and retain nutrient value, minimize moisture loss and shrinkage, and avoid a physical damage such as bruising to delay spoilage. Sanitation is essential in all steps of process. Harvesting is the act of removing a crop from where it was growing and moving it to a more secure location for processing, consumption, or storage. Most root crops can be left in the field and harvested as needed, but most crops reach a period of maximum quality, that is, they ripen or mature, and will get weak if left exposed to the element. While the major factor determining the time of harvest is the maturity of the crop, other factors such as weather, availability of harvest equipment, pickers, packaging, and storage facilities and transports are important consideration. The economic and marketing issues are often even more important than considering of maturity in deciding when to harvest a commodity. Before the crop can be harvested, the grower must be sure that there is a demand for the crop and that the price is sufficient to make harvesting the crop profitable. If the price is less than adequate to cover the cost of production, harvesting and marketing grower are faced with the difficult decision whether to harvest and store the crop, to wait for a better market, or to cut their losses and leave the crop in the field. Thus, harvesting is basically a process of cutting and gathering of ripened crops. The basic operations of harvesting includes identification and judging the maturity of vegetable, selection of mature vegetables, detaching or separating of vegetables from tree, and collection of mature vegetables. Harvesting is one of the important operations that decides the quality as well as storage life of produce and helps in preventing huge loss of vegetable. Harvesting of vegetables should be done at optimum stage of maturity. During the harvesting operation, a high standard of field hygiene should be maintained. It should be done carefully at proper time without damaging the vegetables. There are basically two objectives of applying post-harvest technology to harvested vegetables. That is, to maintain the quality. That is the appearance, texture, flavor, nutritive value and safety. And then to reduce the loss of between harvest and consumption. Harvesting should be done in a proper timing. The time of the day when harvesting is done also affects produce quality and shelf life. In general, harvesting during the coolest time of the day, for example, early morning, is desirable. If harvesting during the hotter part of the day cannot be avoided, the produce should be kept shaded in the field to minimize product heat, weight loss and wilting. Now let us see the different methods of harvesting. There are basically two types of method which are used for harvesting the vegetables: manual harvesting and mechanical harvesting. Manual harvesting. The main goal of harvesting is to gather a commodity from the field at the proper level of maturity with a minimum of damage and loss as rapidly as possible and at a minimum cost. This is achieved only through manual harvesting. Manual harvesting is also known as hand harvesting. Hand harvesting is done in several ways: harvesting by means of cutting knives, harvesting by means of digging tools. Mechanical harvesting. In this method, number of mechanical devices are used for harvesting the produce on commercial scale. Vegetables that are grown below grounds, that is radish, potato, garlic, carrots, beets and other, are always harvested only once, and the soil can be used to cushion the product from machine caused mechanical injury. A number of products designed for processing such as tomato, Beans, peas, peach, and some leafy green vegetables are machine harvested because harvest damage does not significantly affect the quality of processed product. This is often because the product is produced quickly after harvest. The main advantage of mechanical harvest equipment is that machine can often harvest at higher rates. Now the next process of post-harvest technology of vegetable is cleaning of vegetables. Before fresh vegetables are marketed, various amount of cleaning are necessary, which typically involves the removal of soil dust, adhering debris, insects and spray residues. Cleaning basically sanitize the produce and avoid entry of undesirable content to enter the packaging and storage line. Thus, cleaning is the unit operation in which contaminating materials are removed from the food and separated to leave the surface of the food in a suitable condition of further processing. Chlorine in the fresh water is often used as disinfectant to wash the commodity, so harvest vegetable is washed to remove soil microorganism and pesticide residues. Now you can see in this video how the vegetables are cleaned and washed after harvesting. Vegetable washing is a mandatory processing step. It would be wise to eliminate spoiled vegetable before washing in order to avoid the pollution of washing tools or equipment and the contamination of vegetables during washing. Washing efficiency can be gained by the total number of microorganisms present on vegetable surface before and after washing. Best results are when there is a six-fold reduction. The water from the final wash should be free from molds and yeast, and a small quantity of bacteria is acceptable. Now let us see the different methods of cleaning. Equipments for cleaning is categorized into dry method and wet method. Dry method is mainly used to remove the adhering soil from commodity, that is potato, root vegetables, carrot, radish, etc. Dry cleaning procedures are used for products that are smaller, have greater mechanical strength and possess lower moisture content. After cleaning, the surface are dried to aid preservation of further drying. Dry procedure